Daniel, you made this?
So excuse the mess, but here it is, almost done. Just getting it wrapped up. Here's a fuel pump right here, getting ready to put that in. Got the fuel lines, kind of ran it through, got our fittings. Slow down. Yeah, check it out, looking good. Got the grill on, coming together pretty nice. But yeah, there she is. Really excited to start it up. This Friday we get it started up. We still have yet to do the pausing gears, but that's some we can do later on. It doesn't take long, but I just want to get started up, and the time being just to see how it runs, make sure everything is running smooth. But yep, we'll let you guys know how it goes. All right guys, we're getting the truck wrapped up. All we got left is just some sensors and running the fuel lines. Plan is to start it up tomorrow. Big shout out to MRP Fuel Injection. You can find them at mistrustracing.com. Got 1000cc injectors from them. Check them out. I'll be leaving a review on those injectors. So here it is. Got the Huron T4V4 Racing turbo kit for a 2000 or 99, 2000 and like 4 or 5, I don't remember, maybe up 6, because I think 7 is when the body style changes on the Silverados. But yeah, it's a 7875 billet turbo VS Racing billet wheel. I got the I think it's an excess claw valve and excess wastegate. Check it out. Got the electric fans right here. I don't think you guys can see them pretty good. Got the electric fans right there. We also got the radiator right here, and we got the 40K transcooler right there with some brackets right here on the bottom. You guys can see the brackets right there. So yeah, and we already received the startup file or startup tune for this truck, so see how it goes. Wish us luck, hopefully it doesn't blow up. So here we are, we made it to the shop. We got the oil pan here. Check out some of these sick builds that my Rhino shop's doing, my engine builder. So he's working on this C10 chassis right here. I think it's air suspension. What's all done to this truck, Javi? Fucking air suspension, huh?
Yeah, airbags, a 5.3 or
it's like a. This looks like a 4L80E. This is what I need, guys. I'm still running the 4L60E, but it's got some pretty nice headers. Yeah, check them out. I'll put his oh, it's got a nice X pipe too. It's so sick. Board exhaust. Oh no, my bad, Flowmasters. So yeah, I hit on my boy. They also do some K20 swaps, and we're also got another K20 swap that we're gonna do. Hint, that K20 that we got at the shop, but do something similar like this, but on a different car, because this is practical. You see a lot of people swapping these kind of Hondas, but we're gonna put it on some. Check it out, stay tuned. Getting ready to start up my truck. Gonna go get some fuel, pick up the oil pan. So we'll get some E85. Got some little test tubes to check the E85 percentage content, whatever. So yeah, I'll show you guys what's up. The fuck? That's weird. go. VP Racing right there. Well, here it is, boys. About to put gas in, get her fired up. Got some E85. Fill this tank up. It's about 5 gallons. It's enough to get it started, and see how it goes. Oh yeah. I don't know what these guys are doing over there, doing push-ups and shit. Yeah. So right now we're priming the engine, getting all the fuel pressure in, oil pressure, everything. Looks like we're getting too much fuel pressure. I don't know what we're supposed to be at. It looks like we're leaking from the injectors, so I don't know if we've got too much fuel pressure or if it's just not correctly fitted inside the injectors. I don't know. We'll find out right now. Alright, so we cranked it up a few times. I should have recorded that process, but I was just too excited, trying to get things, making sure everything's not wrong, make sure belt's not slipping, making sure fuel pressure is good, making sure there's no leaks. We're looking good so far. We already cranked it up like 3 times. So hopefully on this one we start it up. Just let me know when you start it up so I can start recording. All right?
Don't go out right now.
Huh? All right, guys. So here's the startup, guys. Hold up. So a little bit of smoke.
Well, that's normal. But what? No leak?
So far, no, not really. No leaks. Hold up.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's because I see a lot of smoke, so I get kind of fucked. But no, I don't think so. There we go, guys. Alright guys, so we got it started. Thank God we didn't blow anything. Still some tweaks we gotta do. What do you think? How do you think it sounded?
Sensational.
Sensational? The flashlight? Oh yeah.
On the ground.
There you go. Yeah, it smells really strong. It smells like 85. I'm pretty sure it's leaking from the injector, so we're gonna take a look at it before we start a fire. We don't got a fire extinguisher, but we'll see what's up right now. Dude, I'm fucking, this fucking 85. Holy crap.
It's running my eyes.
No. Shit. It's getting me high. You know I got that on camera, right? Hey, cut.
It's up.
Take that shit out now. I'm gonna show like the fails of Blueprint. Shit looks sick. Sounds fucking badass. Looks badass. Could look better. A little better.